Welcome to the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up, where we take a look at a few of the biggest stories that impacted the financial markets over the past week. On Monday, the Dow closed up 11 points. Investors were cautious ahead of major earnings announcement. In other news that moved the markets, WeWork, now known as the We Company, filed for its IPO. In earnings news, Alphabet Google beat EPS estimates by $1.74, but missed on revenue by $1 billion. Spotify beat revenue by €40 million. Western Digital beat EPS estimates by 17 cents, but missed on revenue by $10 million. And MGM Resorts missed EPS estimates by 11 cents, but beat revenue estimates by $60 million. On Tuesday, the Dow closed up 38 points. The day started off with good news from GE. General Electric reported an EPS beat of 5 cents, and revenue of $27.3 billion was in line with analyst estimates. Apple beat EPS estimates by 10 cents and revenue estimates by $620 million. Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, reported an EPS that was in line with analyst estimates, but beat revenue estimates by $10 million. Shopify beat EPS estimates by 14 cents and revenue estimates by $10.3 million. General Motors missed revenue estimates by $660 million, but beat EPS estimates by 29 cents. McDonald's beat EPS estimates by 2 cents and revenue estimates by $20 million. And Mastercard beat EPS estimates by 12 cents and revenue estimates by $30 million. On Wednesday, the Dow closed down 152 points. Apple's big day couldn't help the market stay positive. Also, the Fed held interest rates as they are, pointing to a recent decline in inflation as a reason to remain at 2.25 to 2.5%. In earnings news, Square beat EPS estimates by 3 cents and beat revenue estimates by $9.3 million. But the stock fell on a negative outlook for the rest of 2019. Fitbit beat revenue by $12 million and EPS estimates by 7 cents. Qualcomm, fresh off of its settlement with Apple, reported an EPS beat of 6 cents and a revenue beat of $70 million. And CVS beat EPS estimates by 11 cents and revenue estimates by $1.2 billion. On Thursday, the Dow closed down 122 points. Stocks continued to slide after the Fed left rates unchanged. The day belonged to Beyond Meat, which went public on Thursday and closed up 163% from its IPO price. In earnings news, everyone's favorite Burger Palace, Shake Shack, beat revenue estimates by $5.3 million, and EPS of 13 cents was in line with analyst estimates. Gilead Sciences reported an EPS beat by 16 cents and a revenue of $5.2 billion was in line with analyst estimates. Activision Blizzard beat EPS estimates by 6 cents and revenue by $20 million. Teva Pharmaceuticals reported an EPS beat of 2 cents, but missed on revenue by $80 million. Weight Watchers beat EPS estimates by 17 cents, but missed on revenue by $2 million. And Skyworks Solutions beat EPS estimates by 4 cents and revenue estimates by $800,000. On Friday, the Dow closed up 197 points. The markets rallied after a favorable jobs report, which showed the economy added 263,000 non-farm jobs in April. For a second straight week, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq closed up for the week, but the Dow closed down slightly. In crypto news, Bitcoin had a strong week, rallying to $5,672.91 at the time of this recording. Could it break back over $6,000 this weekend? We'll have to wait and see. Ethereum was trading at $165, Litecoin was trading at $78.08, and Ripple was trading at 30 cents. Crude oil started the week off bullish but fell hard on Thursday and closed the week out at $61.86 per barrel, which was below last week's close. A big winner for the week, Universal Electronics, UEIC, which closed up 16% on the week. A big loser for the week, Star Surgical Company, STAA, which closed down 23% on the week. A weekly reminder that our latest quarterly newsletter is available at SevilleReport.com. If you're new to investing and need a place to start, or you're an experienced investor who needs a few investment ideas, we suggest you check it out. Also, a link to sign up to our weekend article, In Focus, is in the description below. Before you make a buy or sell decision, definitely check out In Focus over the weekend. Thanks again for checking out the Silver Reports Weekly Wrap-Up. This channel is dedicated to anyone who wants to start investing but doesn't know how or where to start. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section, like and subscribe, and may your next investment be your best investment. See you next week.